Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Protecstation. It's great to see you all. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for my supporter that subscribed to my channel, and my channel just passed over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for everyone that support my channel. For those of you that accidentally bump into this channel, welcome to my channel Protecstation. In this channel, you'll be expecting mostly technology reviews, product reviews, tips and tricks, and cool stuff about technology that I know, that I learned, and I would like to share to you all. So if you are interested of technology related information, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way when I have new videos, you'll be notified. So in this video is my first surpassing 1,000 subscribers. So I would like to thank you all to my subscriber. Without you guys, I would not hit this milestone. And for those that subscribe to my channel, and if you are also new, I would also like to share some personal tips of how did I achieve this first 1,000 subscribers. And the tips for I used to get to my first 1,000 subscriber, it's not like something that I'm bragging about, you know, it's not like something I'm doing something that it's really good. But those are the tips that I use to achieve this goal. There are a lot of talented YouTubers out there, and they can probably get 1,000 subscribers in less than an hour or something, you know, but for me, it took me a little over a year to get that. And I remember when I first started my channel a little over a year ago, it took me around 2 months or something like that to get my first 10 subscribers. And the first couple of months, it was pretty kind of hopeless because I keep on making these videos, but nobody are watching. I mean, not like now a lot of people are watching, but at least, you know, I can see it starting to grow. So for those of you that are starting your channel, or you're planning to start a YouTube channel, you may feel free to use my personal tips of how I achieve it. It may not be the best tip, you know, because to be honest, I really have no idea of how to start this channel thing. You know, I'm not good with social media. I'm not a really camera friendly guy. I make a lot of mistakes, you know. So whatever you see me in front of the camera, and if you think that it's bad, you should check out my behind the scene, because each of my video clips, I took a lot of shots, you know, in order to make the video. I cut out a lot of my stuttering, my mispronunciation, just everything. So that's why I add all the bloopers and fails on all of my videos, to let you check out the behind the scenes and to let you know that I'm not perfect. And even though on camera I'm not perfect as well, but I just want to let you know that, you know, I'm not perfect. That's why I added all my bloopers, fails, behind all my videos, because I just want to share to you all, even a dude like me that stutters, but you know, first of all, if you want to start your channel, you have to be brave, you know, so you have to be not camera shy. I mean, even though I'm camera shy, but you just have to let it all out, right? If you stutter, you stutter. If you have hiccups, you hiccups. Just go for it, you know, just don't worry about anything. Before I start this channel, it took me around 5 months, you know, to get this channel started, because I worry about so much things, about this little details, you know, should I do this? Should I decorate this, that, and, you know, and after all the time, I just like, you know what, forget it, you know, I'm not going to decorate anything. I'm just going to paint my walls white, have a table, and that's it, you know. So just don't think too much, you know, think a little bit is cool, but not too much, because the more you think about it, the more delay you have to start your channel. As time goes on, your videos and your channel should be a little bit better because you gain more experience. So just don't be afraid, just, you know, do whatever, right? You know, you will learn more experience while you do more of your video productions. Okay, so another tip that I would like to share to you all is motivation. You know, you have to find some kind of motivation to get you in front of the camera. for me, you have to find a passion, you know, something that you like, you know, to share to all. So if you find something that you like and you have passion, then it will be easier for you to get in front of the camera and start to show and tell or express yourself in your channel. So find the motivation that you like. That is very important, and it will keep giving you more motivation to continue to produce more videos, more content for your channel. And then after motivation, another thing you need to have is dedication. Even though you're motivated, sometimes you're not dedicated. So you need to tell yourself, okay, I need to be dedicated. And how to be dedicated is you set your own pace. You find your own schedule and then you try to nail it. You know, for example, most of my videos are released on a Saturday. So I always tell myself, no matter what, I have to finish this video within Saturday. So, and then I was able to do almost 50 of my videos on a Saturday release. So that is the dedication you need when you start your channel. And then another important aspect of starting your channel is you need to have good time management. For myself, I have a full-time job and a full-time parent, and it's really hard for me to find the time to you know, shoot the videos, you know, because during the daytime I have to work, and then after work I need to pick up the kids and do all the other stuff, and then dinner time, and then go over homeworks with them and stuff like that. So time is not really on my side. On the weekends, I try to spend time with my family, so I kind of miss out on shooting my videos. The only time that I have, you know, that I found is when my kids are asleep. Then I can sneak to my other room and start filming. But usually doing everything set up and, you know, thinking the topics of what I should shoot, I end up shooting most of my videos in this room around 2 a.m. in the morning, or 3, or sometimes even 4 or 5 a.m. So having this channel is kind of like having a new baby, you know. You don't really get much sleep. But everybody's schedule is different, you know. If you are more free than I am, you know, then you can have more free time to plan your videos and stuff like that. But remember to have good time management, so that way it doesn't have any conflict with your personal life. So just plan your week and fill in the time slot. It's kind of like going to work, but you know, you just have to have that dedication to put yourself into that time management zone. So after that, and you know, once you get the ball rolling, you know, you get your videos every week or every 2 times a week, however you schedule yourself. Just remember one thing: don't get burned out. You know, a lot of YouTubers, when they start the channel, they do get burned out, meaning they overwork themselves. They overwork themselves to the point that it's not even a motivation or a passion anymore. It's like, oh, I'm forcing myself to make a video, or you know, stuff like that. So just, you know, when you're new, just pace yourself, you know, 1 week a video, and then if you're good at it, then maybe 2 or, you know, 3. But you know, just don't get burned out, okay? Because once you get burned out, you just don't have the motivation to start the camera and start shooting. So just take it step by step. Well, that's about it. That's my personal tips of, you know, how I start my channel. But you know, I still have a whole lot more room to improvement. But this is what I did so far. Well, these are the tips that I used to guide myself to run the channel. My tips are not perfect. I'm not a really successful YouTuber, but I'm just sharing my personal tips. If any of my tips doesn't sound right to you, please do not, you know, use it. I'm just sharing my personal tips of how I did it. You know, you just have to keep doing it until you get the hang of it, you know. So just learn as you create your channel. Well, once again, thank you so much for all you guys for all this time that you supported me, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for you all. And if you like the video content that I produce, please feel free to help me smash the like button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So for those of you that are new that accidentally bumped into this channel is called Protec. So for those of you that are new that accidentally bumped into this channel, my channel is called Protecstation, and for those of you that accidentally bump into this video and those are new, this channel is